Very good morning, class 4th. I hope all my kids are doing fine and healthy at their home or at their place. So, class 4th, as you all know, that we are doing the revision session, and till now we have revised the first three chapters of our EVS from our NCERT book. And in our today's session, we are going to revise the chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. And we have read this chapter, and this chapter was all about loving the trees, taking care of the trees, and fighting for it. So now let's begin with the revision. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. So class, there are certain blanks given and you have to fill it up. Number 1, dash were Anita's best friends. So class, when we were starting this chapter, we learned that trees were Anita's best friends. Remember that trees were Anita's best friends, and she used to hug the tree in the morning, she used to talk to the tree, and she used to take care of a tree. Number 2, the king wanted the trees to be cut because, yes class, because he needed wood for his palace. We learned that the king wanted to cut the trees so that he can make furniture from the woods for his palace. Next is the villagers protected the trees from being cut by hugging the trees. So we all know when the cutters came to the village with the axe, what did the people of the village did? They hugged the trees so that they can protect the trees. They consider trees the most important things, and they believe that without trees life will not be there. And they always used to say, ट्रीज़ है तो हम हैं, अगर ट्रीज़ नहीं होंगे तो हम भी नहीं होंगे. Next is fill in the blanks again. So class, next is fill in the blanks again. Here we will be discussing about where children of Khilji village played in the shade of the trees. So we learned that the children of the Khilji village used to play in the shade of the trees because there were so many trees in the village, and the children used to enjoy it in the shade. The children used to play in the shade of the trees, and they used to take care of the trees as well. Next question is write T for true and F for the false statements. So certain statements have been given and we have to write down whether the statements are true. If they are true, we have to write down T, and if they are false, we have to write down F. Okay, so the first statement is Amrita and her companion sacrificed their lives almost 300 years ago. So this is a true statement class. Amrita as well as her companions sacrificed their life, and this incident took up almost 300 years ago. Next is leaves of the Khilji tree are eaten by animals. Again, this is a true. In fact, the Khilji tree leaves are eaten by the human beings also. The fruits are eaten by the human beings also. Khilji tree is one of the very useful tree that was found during that time, and it is still there in the desert only, as it requires very less of the water. That is the reason it is able to survive in the desert. Next question is answer the following questions. So class, you have to write down the proper answers. Now, why do people hunt? So you have to tell me what is the main aim of people that they do hunting. Why the people hunt? So the answer is that people hunt down animals for their skins, bones, flesh, and for fun too. So the people hunt the animals for their skins because they can sell the skin of the animal. For example, the tiger skin can be sold. Secondly, for their bones, the bones of the elephant are sold at a very high prices. Flesh, and for some people it is just a game to enjoy. That is the reason they hunt. Next question, what will happen if people cut tree? Now class, what will be the condition when the people will cut the trees? So class, if people cut down trees, then we cannot survive, as trees give us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. So class, we know that from trees we get so many things like rubber, food, fruits, vegetables, as well as oxygen. If all the trees are being cut down, then there will be no oxygen, and we know that for the survival of us we need oxygen. So if there will be no oxygen, we will not be able to survive and we all will die. So oxygen is most important for us to survive, and without oxygen we will not be able to live, we will die. So when all the trees will cut, we will also not live, as the people of the Khilji village told us, and they gave us the uttermost important message: पेड़ है तो हम हैं, पेड़ नहीं होंगे तो हम नहीं होंगे. Next question class, in which area is the Khilji tree usually found? Now you have to tell me what is the name of the area where you can find the Khilji tree, and the answer is it is usually found in the desert area, because it needs very less water for the survival, and that is the reason it is found in the desert area. So class, everyone make sure to do these questions in your notebook and submit the work on time. Thank you.